Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you not a pattern. I want to share with you a video about me. I'm Gözde and it's the video for thanks for 20,000 subscribers. I'm so happy to getting that number. I don't believe that I will see that number. If I tell you honestly, I don't think about that numbers. I take my coffee and I want to tell about me. I'm 37 years old and probably always 37 after that video. A mother of 3 children, 2 boys, 1 girl. And I'm textile engineer. I worked nearly 10 years. After birth of my 3rd child, I give up my job and still at home. After 2 years leaving my job, I getting so bored, and my aunt was support me a lot, and she has a channel too, Gönülden Örgüler. Thanks to her a lot of time for that. But I start my channel with Turkish and not put video like that. Maybe 1 video in a week, maybe 2. Okay, it's getting 2 years nearly like that. In that 2 years, I have a chance and I met with Syringe Crochet, Pınar. She is not only my friend, she is also a sister. I don't have a sister. I have 3 brothers and his wife's also my sister. Thanks to my family and thanks to Pınar a lot of time. I said always she is chance in my life. I love her so much. Thank you so much, Pınar. I'm so lucky person about that. And I want to thanks to all of you, all of that more than 20,000 subscribers. I hope we will see the big numbers. I'm so excited about that. And that 20,000 subscribers comes to same time of New Year. So it's a big present for me. Thank you so much, all of you. Thanks again. And I want to say something about that New Year. We had a hard times in that 2020. I hope to New Year all of us getting health, peace, so lucky times, so happy times. I hope that only we bored about what will we crochet in the next day. We don't have different problems. I hope my wish is that belongs that way. I'm so believe that you think the same things like me. Thank you so much again. I'm so happy to all of you here. And we will see the new big numbers with that family. See you in New Year, in new video, in new project. Have a nice day and Happy New Year. Bye bye.